Thokozani. Welcome to the next episode of Ubayete Podcast. I am Unhlakanipho Shabangu, also known as Umakhosi Shabangu. And namhlanje ngihambi ngedwa, I'm with uGogo Tshepiso and uGogo Nqobile, whereby they'll be telling us about their spiritual journey, ukuthi baqalephi till bafike lapho bakhona namhlanje. Ucela sizukuwe Gogo Nqobile.
Oh, Nkosi yami.
Cela nje usichazele ngejourney yakho Nkosi yami ukuthi okay uqalephi, kwenzakalani, bezikhala kuphi, you know, just take us through that.
Okay. So, from my side, my journey was not easy. It was not smooth. It was very challenging. It was not very smooth. Like, it was, it was like, you see a mountain full of rocks.
Yes.
You see, like, going down that mountain, it's very hard. So it was not. So Nkuleno Gogo, I was that normal child. Like, normal but not normal. You see, like, being right, mara being Okay, I was that child, playful, very social, you know. I like people, like,
So you were that jolly child?
No, I was that child. I would even impress different races, like the whites, the Indians. They used to love me, like, give me sweets and everything. It was,
You
see, like, Okay, then when I was 4 years old, that's when gay.
Yes.
So I would say in four years, when I was 4 years, right? And then bokhona lo mama ebekade simhamba besininkinga zethu as a family. Bokhona lo mama ebekade simhamba. We used to go to that woman. She was a traditional healer.
Okay.
And she was she was helping me because I was also that sickly child. You see, to the point where in my older stage I had to get a heart operation. See, so sometimes I would even feel nauseous. Like I was that sickly child. Okay, siyahamba ye kulo mama, yasifuthisa, everything right nje, still normal. Then I don't know what happened, but we disappeared for like 2 years from her before we could even go back. So, during those 2 years, right, my background, I actually know my roots well because ugogo ozalubaba, which is my mother's father, is a sangoma.
Okay.
She is a traditional healer. So I knew my roots actually. To know 1, 2, 3. Okay. So right. It's those 2 years, right? Sharp gay. During those 2 years, gay, that's when I started having those dreams. Being pupa in yoga. Skeleton is slimy, is gazi, like being a lizards. And the in yoga, like mani pupa, mangvuga, anitawi, mangvuga. It will be like that snake is on top of you. Like it's there. Like there will be times where I'm pressed and I want to go to the bathroom and I wouldn't, because it will be like when I go off my bed, it's like it's there.
Okay, go. So as you were getting these dreams, did you also inform Abazali Bakho what's going on?
Yes, I did. And my father, he took me like a crazy person. No. There's no way umntwana angakhuluma izinto ezingaka. Okay, sharp. So I think in 2015 my grandmother passed away from my paternal side. The day she passed away, my right leg, I was jumping on the bed.
Okay.
The time, it matches with the time I broke my leg. I actually broke my leg.
Isikhathi ashone ngaso ugogo.
Yes.
Okay.
You see, I twisted
Your leg.
my leg, you see.
Okay.
So, okay, how? My father was now wondering how. Washona ugogo umntana nangu waphuka. Kwenzakalani ke manje? Hayi sharp ke.
Yes.
Esibhedlela, casting. I had the cast for about 3 weeks because it was bad. The injury was bad. Yeah, sharp. Fast forward to the next year. Again, those dreams started getting sick even more. The doctor, I have monthly consultations with my heart doctor. You see. No, the heart is swelling now. It's swelling, it's this big now. The left lung can't take the heart. Hey, it was a lot, you see.
So now, in that period, still ansai kulo gogo benimhamba. Sanyamalele.
Sanyamalele,
Okay.
yabo. Ay, sharp ke. Ay, 2019, there comes a dream ukuthi no ugogo wami yavela uthi umphahlo wasemanzini. Ngikufuna emanzini wena.
Okay. Makavela uvela kugogo. Okay.
Okay, I wake up, and she actually like gave me the list ukuthi what
that she knows?
is what
Okay.
is going on. Okay, sharp. I wake up, I tell my parents. That's when they started to know, man. I think there's something here because even at school,
Yeah.
like I was hyperactive. I was hyperactive, and then there would be parts where I would just come to a child, when you gonna do something, and that child would do it. You see, like I would just come running. You see, just like that. You see, yeah. Okay, sharp again. I know. That's when we went back to that mother again.
2 years.
After such a long time, so when's
A lot of things. That's when we went back again.
Okay.
Safika, and she was so happy to see us.
Yes.
So happy. Safika, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's fine. So tight. We will do it. The day of the ceremony comes. Okay.
Yes.
Bufuneka all our family members.
Okay.
You see, yeah. Bahambe bayogezwa emfuleni.
Okay.
Phinde futhi uyenza umphahlo wasemfuleni yabo. Okay, sharp ke. Uyayenza lo msebenzi lo mgidi. It was those times the COVID. Yo. Sharp ke.
Okay.
Umgidi waqhubeka kwaphela kamnandi. Yabo?
Yes.
Kwaba right. Cool again.
Yeah.
I did COVID manje.
Yes.
So manje umama COVID waphathwa yini. Ubaba COVID baze bayoshona le kuma ICU.
Sure.
Yabo. They are survivors, those ones. They are bogotos. Don't see them like this. You see? Okay, sharp again.
Yes.
After that, now, ngivuka ngimphupha ukuthi ugogo wami uthi lo mama lo
Yes.
ngifuna ukuthi akumentor yabo akuguide.
Okay.
Siye kuye ke simtshele. Asho athi no, and we're excited. No, ha. Sicale ke process.
Okay.
Athenga inqwaba yamabhayiki.
So ngicela nje ukubuza kancane. Maka kumentora angithi we've got the prophecy side, we've got the Bungoma side. So
Actually,
benenzana. Bekakhulisa kuphi?
Ubungoma side.
Okay.
Yabo, the Stunya side I hadn't known it by that time.
Okay.
Yes, the Ubungoma
So
side.
bekusavela ubungoma.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
We went to her then. That's where it started. Switching now.
Okay.
The mentoring now became initiating now.
Okay.
Which is what I'm about to tell you guys. It's too much.
Okay.
So, lo mama lona ngithi
Yes.
instead of mentoring me, she made me eat wasana like
Okay.
red skirt, bona, everything. one things like I look
Fake
like
it to my-
you like name it. You see, I sharp again.
So na ngicela nje ukubuza futhi as azokufaka under iphehlo lakhe kwenzakaleni, take us through leyo process yakhona, or uvele nje wafika wafaka i-red skirt wagcobisa uDzumani wafaka amabhayi.
Ufikile. Let's get amabhayi. Dzumani waphela.
Okay.
Waphela nje no gatcheging, no nothing.
Gogo, as kwenzeka leyo process ke manje ukuthi igcine sokuba yithwasa kugogo lobuya kuye bonangaki.
I think I was about 6, 7. Abencane shem 6, 7.
Nkosi yami.
Very young. Like yabo mara labantu ingihamba nabo abangembethe shem. What I'm about to tell you all.
Wow.
Okay, sure. It's the process I need to trust.
Yes.
No catching, no kuku, sabat, nothing.
So
Straight to the
vele nje
point.
wafaka.
Yes, every weekend I used to go there during the week because I was still attending school, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Mawufika lapho wenzani nje?
No medicine, nothing. Hey, I just
Flowers.
arrived there, right? I meet you Friday.
Yes.
During the weekend, I arrived again.
Yes.
Ngo 6, Squazilos.
Okay.
It's the fast forward the next day. The whole Saturday nje, we don't do nothing. It's either wena ambutlina, wena this, wena that.
Okay. Then ekukhwazeni idlozi, I'd like to believe ukuthi ukuliphakamisa. Right. So now since ungadlulisanga in the process of ukugajeka kuphakamisa liphi idlozi?
Hey. So, lo mama lone, once there was this skirt that my grandmother said we must do. Les sumdao.
Okay.
So, hey, that's where lo mama lona ati wena igama lakho ledlozi umamlambo. Mina I didn't even say that.
So wakupha
Nothing.
igama.
Yeah,
Wakuphi
bangiphi
igama?
igama.
Okay.
Yabo. Athi wena igama lakho ledlozi umamlambo.
Okay.
Ugogo wakho ngiyamuzwa lana. But knowing the fact that my grandmother actually did come to me and give me my
Your
own
own
name.
name.
Okay.
You see, which is
Interesting.
very
Different.
very different. You see.
So now, did you tell uGobela ukuthi ugogo uzile wazokunikeza igama noma you just accepted le gama?
Le akunikele.
I just accepted because Nayo Gogo didn't come exactly during that time. She
Okay.
came late in a later
Later
stage.
stage. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
You see.
Okay. So yes, uyaya kaGobela ngama weekend.
Ngama
yes?
weekend, it's fine. Fast forward, I think it was this other weekend, you see. Okay. I arrived on a Friday, right?
Yes.
The normal processes, the normal routines, when I clean a lana, when I clean everything. Yabo. The next Saturday, she made me clean the carpets and it was cold. I had flu. You see, I sharp. Okay. My father came and checked on me and he was not really happy, you see.
Yes.
Like, umtanam uye
So
lapha,
it's been
you see. Yeah. On Sunday, that's where it starts.
Okay.
So, there was a room that I walked into, right?
kaGobela.
Kakobela.
Okay.
I walked into that room. And then, I don't know what I was doing, right? But I just walked in, right? I went out. After 1 second, 1 minute, ivuta. Kuyasha.
What?
Khona kulelo room.
Yes.
Yo.
Everywhere I stepped inside, nendumba yakhe, bokusha. Ivuta.
Okay, uGobela ukuphi njengoba kwenzakala kanje?
Usendumbeni, angithi.
Yo.
But then you just went into that room.
I just went in that room.
Yes.
Okay, sharp ngiyaphuma. Ngaka yinokuya 2 steps, 6 steps nje.
Yes.
Already uyasha. Ngiyameme kuyasha. Okay, sucime lo mlilo. Ngene futhi gquphu. Kuyavutha futhi.
Hayi. So now esikwenzakala lokho uthini uGobela?
Hayo. Hey, Nkosi yami. Hey, labantu bayangithakatha labantu labo yabo. Usho kanjalo yabo. Hayi. Okay ke, sharp. Bekasebenzisana nomntwana wakhe, uyabo.
So umntwana wakhe naye is also a traditional healer.
Yes.
Okay.
I went endumbeni yaka mntwana wakhe because ngathi yena bese akayazi ukuthi noma ngathi lo mntwana lo uyoshaya lezinto lezi yabo. Manje bekangafuna ukuthi kuhlale endumbeni yakhe. So beka testa ngami. Ngahlala. Khona lapho ngisathe ngithe ngilinile I'm leaning. Vupu. Kuyavutha right in front of my eyes.
Hayibo.
How? I'm just leaning on something. I think it was a shelf covered nearby.
Okay.
Oh, I'm just leaning on it already. Nje kuyavutha. How?
Hayi,
Kanje-
ngizabona nokuthi ngizusha.
Like already kuyavutha just like that. How?
Yes.
Nkosi yami. Kanjani manje?
Yes.
Okay, hayi. Indluleke. I think I was with lawyer for about 2 years. You see, 2 years and I think 1 year and a half.
Okay. Kuleyo 1 year 6 months. So in terms of your spiritual progress, were you seeing any changes or big fudge?
No, book fun.
Then ugogo uthini?
Ugogo.
Kule period.
Kule period. So bekuwumsebenzi kaSqueezer sakhe.
Okay.
Ugogo did the very same thing ayenze ngami. Angithi uSqueezer sakhe sithwase amakhosi, uyabo.
Okay.
So ugogo akabelieve in amakhosi.
Okay.
Ubelieve kumnguni umndawo. Zonke lezi zinto lezo believe kuzothi kuphela.
Okay.
Yabo, ayishap athi uyangena uSqueezer uyamhlola, hayi wena uyenzalanga kahle umndawo in awushapu ke.
Okay.
Hayi, okay. Fast forward to umsebenzi wakhe ya. Ngazi ukuthi ube umsebenzi wani nje.
Okay.
Like nje. I was already annoyed ukuthi like ngizobalana up until
Yes.
like kahle uyabo.
Yes.
Hayi sharp. So umgidi wakhe okay on that Friday bayafika uGobela, of course the routine uyakhwaza uyavusela uyabo izinto ezikanjalo. And then mina angivuseli ngegama lika gogo wami ngivusela ngumama lami ngivusela like ngivusela like yeah.
Ma ukhwaza ledluzi ne ngale gama uGobela kunikeze lona. Buwenza lokho usenyameni noma were you in spirit?
Ngisenyameni yo.
So basically you were pretending.
I think senyameni ngifuna ukuqamba manga.
Okay.
Because naye like bekasifundisa ithokoziso nani yabo.
Yes.
So bengisenyameni
Okay.
to be honest, but there were times where okay akusakhulumi mina manje
Okay.
yabo, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So it was belifika.
Yeah, belifika.
Okay.
Yabo. Like belifika like immediately mangiceda ukuthi mamlambo beceda liyafika yabo. Belidoja le gama leluthi ayi.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yes.
Okay, umgidi wakhe fine. The next Saturday kuyavuka futhi kuyakhwaza idlozi futhi. Idlozi belisikhwaza kayi 4 kayi 5 ngelanga. Yo. I sharp ke it's that Saturday. So isikhathi manje sokubhakula umndawo walo Squeezer.
So uSqueezer beka thwasa umndawo kaGobela wakho.
Wathatha umndawo.
Okay.
Yabo. So isikhathi manje sokubhakula umndawo wakhe in ay yabo.
Yes.
Ay sharp. Lo mama lona aseyanga emanzini number 1.
What?
Umndawo angithi ufuna amanzi.
Okay. Yes.
Ufuna amanzi.
Yes.
Aseyanga. Bathatha ibhafu. Angithi amagabhadiya wona.
Okay.
Bathatha ibhafu. Ufaka amanzi.
Hayibo.
Ngiyakhulu. Yabona lesigobele yeah. Ah. Umuntu bembamba ikhanda.
Faka phakathi.
Thokoza. Phakathi kwamanzi yabo.
Yes.
Fup. Hawu.
So bafaka nje
Ikhanda.
kuthiwa kuyaparula. Hayi
Like,
bunjani.
what is that? Like, my mother was even traumatized. Ukuthi like, what is going on?
Yes.
Yabo. I don't know ukuthi bebasifihlelani kodwa bathi, hey mina mathwasa nisase abancane, yani ngale. Yabo. Hayi sahamba ingoma nathi singamathwasa ngizasazi.
Okay.
Sahamba kodwa siyazizwa umuntu uyadawu. Hey,
Kuthiwa
kuningi. Bawundawo.
Okay.
Kuningi uyabo. Nayi sharp. Sathele umgidi undlule the next Sunday ke manje. Sishanyela ibala uyabo.
Okay.
And uthi hayi sengizokubona ke the next weekend ngithi hayi angisabuyi ngokwami uthi ngingasaphindi ngiyibeke
Yo.
elapho.
Just like that.
Okay. So mawuphuma bawuna ngakhi?
Bengina 7. 7.
Your memory is so sharp, hey?
Like
For you to recall all these past events.
I remember everything.
Wow. Okay. Okay, uyaphuma kokobela and then what happens next?
Then from there sengihlala ekhaya ke manje.
Okay.
Yabo. That's when no man, my grandmother took things in her hands now. I'm a self-initiate now.
Okay.
You
So
see.
ugogo uyofika sho kanjalo wena noma?
Ugogo uye ufika asho.
Okay.
Yabo. Uthi hayi wena hayi ngizokubonisa ukuthi uyenzani. Yabo.
Okay.
So beka nokuthi afike kimi athi wena thenga lokhu nalokhu uhlanganise.
Okay.
Lokhu kuzoba iswashi senhlanhla iswasho sansani uyabona kanjalo which is
Okay.
I'm still doing that even today.
Nice.
Yabo.
Okay.
Sharp we aqhubeka ayenze kanjalo ke ugogo angimentore yabona.
Yes.
Then kufike isikhathi we sahamba sayo besifuna isonto yabo.
Okay.
Sahamba kulelo sonto bekwiza yona kahle uanti wami bekasonta khona yabo.
Okay.
Bekwiza yona. Masifika lapha yana hayi siyalithanda lelo sonto ke lezayoni futhi liyangichaza yabo. Yabo hayi sharp ke hayi. So yeah, lelo sonto ke hayi kumnandi lapha man.
Yes, it's all vibey.
Plus
Yes.
nami ke I'm vocalistic.
Okay.
I can iphimbo nginalo.
Shuthi nje ungaqala nje ingoma manje kushake
You see.
everything in the room.
You see. So beba busy kuqula and then after that ke mamfundiswa lapha
Yes.
yabo waqala wangiprofita wathi
Okay.
hayi wena he abayenzanga kahle kuwe
Okay.
in which is bekuyiqiniso vele.
Yes.
I didn't know anything imithi nothing. I only knew imithi through my grandmother. That's
Okay.
all. You see. Hayi sharp ke hayi asithathe ke the other year
Okay.
yabo. I think I was about 8.
Okay.
Yeah, the other year asithathe ke asise komunye ugobela ke.
Okay.
Hayi asithathe ke sifike lapho samthanda leyo gobela man bekugobela like usebenza ngamakhosi kakhulu
Okay.
yabo. Yeah.
Hey kodwa nayo gogo yanishayisa travel and tourism.
Yo hayi ngenile door to door. Yes.
Ndumba to ndumba.
Yo. Hayi okay. Asise ke kugobela wakuqala.
Okay.
Simthande ke.
No, this is the second Kobela.
The second
Right.
one.
Yes.
Simthande ke. Kodwa athi no, I still have other more options. Yabo.
Okay.
Seshonele abo soshanguve le. Shone.
Hayibo.
Uyabona umbayimbayi ingoma leyo umbayimbayi.
Yes.
Uyabona.
Yes.
Yeah. Shonele ke kubo soshanguve.
Okay.
Hey, singene indumba. Lo mama lona akhuluma izinto. Ezithi
Esibheke eceleni.
uyabo same as that mother. esibuya kuyo yabo.
Now abazali bathini?
Abazali, like they are just like, my mother can actually sue with this one.
Oh, asitsona.
She like she's a very good pretender. Umama uyakwazi uactor. Like uzokuvumela nabathi ngisiyakuzwa. Maqeda masingena emotweni akusagudla manje. God.
Okay.
Gone, you see, gone. Ubaba mke is just their career. Just nje there.
Siyavuma nje.
Siyavuma. You see?
Okay.
Hi, sharp. Then we went back to the first Gobela, you know.
Lo wawuthwasa kuye.
No,
Oh, lokho ke nani mhamba qa.
Yes.
Okay.
Saya kuye ke. Though, like as I said, umamfundisa ngithi basihambisa ku the first one.
Okay.
We went to that one.
Okay.
Hayi sharp ke. Athi no ngizomguide ke ngimentore
Yes.
abe right. Kanti she's still doing the same thing. Ngaze ngangena ke kulelo phehlo kodwa ke ngangena kahle ke.
Okay.
Like via the process you
Yes,
see.
of ukugajekwa and everything.
Like
Okay.
lo gogo lo bekasebenzisa like amakhosi yabo.
Oh,
So bengithwasa
okay,
isikhosi
okay,
kahle
yes.
kahle yabo.
Yes.
Udaka.
So wakuncwambisa.
Yeah, izinto
Yes.
ezikanjalo
Okay.
yabo. Like hey, ngiyazi ukuthi ayihlekise le ndawo kodwa looking at myself in the mirror I look like a Nigerian. You see those
Okonko
you
nje.
see like ngapha ku white ngapha ku red ipheka as red ngapha ngithele lento le inkukhu lena
Isicela nkomo. Yes.
hey
Uyi-Power Ranger nje. Yes.
uningi yabo ayi sharp ingene.
Okay.
Hayi ke at least yena ke yabo bengihlola ke kuye
Okay.
ke angifundisa ukuhlola ngekhanda
Yes.
ngokwemoya yabo.
Yes.
Yeah. That's when I first had my first imfihlo.
Okay.
You see. That's when I learned to know there's something it was imfihlo.
Okay.
I didn't know anything.
Okay. So now mawukhipha imfihlo njengoba uthwasa amakhosi, do you khwaza wenzani?
Awukwazi like
Okay.
bokuna uyabona lento leyo yokushaya ibhulu.
Yes.
Yeah, bengiphatha yona
Okay,
yabo.
yes.
So and then basically nje ashaye isivumi
Yes,
it's just
yes,
like
yes.
that nje uyabo.
Okay.
Uwe usenyamini kodwa you actually have a vision
Donsa ngomoya.
uyabo. Yeah.
Yes.
You see.
Okay.
And then
And bona ngakhe lapho gogo?
bengina 9. Lento le iyahambelana man.
Every year nje uyiraha something.
Like yabo. So so 9 ke 9
Okay.
years ngilaphayana.
Mm.
Khona lapho ke senga eMnambithi khabogobela wakhe.
Okay.
Ngihambile yo eMnambithi. Yabo. Hey. Ngale eMnambithi kwagobela wakhe ngafika ke ngathwasiswa uye ugobela wakhe kahle kahle.
Okay.
Yabo. Ngoba yena beka busy ngomsebenzi so
Okay.
she couldn't actually like balance.
Multitask,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, you see. So she took me there kagobela wakhe. And then it had a really painful impact on my parents because leaving umntwana like when useGauteng ushiye umntwana ku KZN into enjani leyo yabo.
Nkosi yami.
Hayi sharp.
Nakule age okuyo.
Hey.
Eish.
Hey.
Mm.
So the way I got out from eMnambithi ngabuya ngaza ngapha, she was actually based in Loli.
Okay.
Yaseloli.
So ngicela nje ubuza nje kancane. Mawubuya ngapha ubuya sowuqedile ukuthwasa noma ukuphakamisa amakhosi noma?
Angibuya like angithi isane step like ngisagcobisa udaka
Okay.
yabo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So saguqile.
Ngisaguqile.
Okay.
So ngapha ke ngisaguqile
Yes.
sengize ngapha kodwa ngifuna ukungixoxela ukuthi ngiphume kanjani lapha.
Okay. Wena ngathi ubalekile nje.
eMnambithi yabo ngaza ngapha ke kuye
Yes.
kuLoli.
Okay.
So eMnambithi lapha so there was a it's actually kind of funny and disgusting at the same time
Okay.
because like entweni eMnambithi right so akunama toilet kusemakhaya lapha
Okay.
yabo so there was a time where bengijibiswa isisu yabo. And angikhona ukufika kahle toilet fast and hard. Angikhonanga. So I did it, man. You see there by the mahlatis next to the toilet.
Yes.
I saw good to know the toilet is a long walk to freedom. Yabo. So okay, sharp, okay.
Yes.
I can't there's a jersey of mine, yabo.
Okay.
And I actually
You sold on it.
yabo. I
Yes.
sharp, okay. It's fine. Mina ke ezumntwana ke angithi uyabaza abantwana bayathanda maybe ukuthusa abantu ngama sibabo, you know. I was like no. Ithi ngihambe ngiye kulala thwasana leliya.
Kodwa usathwasa gogo. Hayibo. Hayibo.
Hey benganga yo. Ithi ngihambe ngiye hey ngiliphethe ke lejizi ngithi mbwi.
Sure.
Ajampe. Hey, yo, wena, ungangeni la. Umbetha amakaka wena, ungamakaka wena. Aw. Okay.
Kuwumsukelo kodwa.
I mean, I took it to heart. Me being a child, I called the very same night, Mama, oh, Mama, all of
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
in color, everything. The next day, bafika.
Abazali. Okay.
Sekuyi-case ke manje ukuthi hayi
Yes.
ayikhona umntana wethu is not safe now siyamthatha
Okay.
and bangithatha vele ngaza ngapha eloli
Ubuyela kagobela wakho.
eh
Okay.
ayisharp then ke she tried ke multitasking see yeah
Yes.
balancing between work and being
Agobela.
agobela yeah
Yes.
so sharp hayi ke kuye ke sekuyisikhathi sami sokuthi ngincwambise
Yes.
yabo sharp because of ikolo yabo
Yes.
my school was very strict you
Okay.
see. So sharp ke angincwambisa awathola ke imfihlo zami
Yes.
yeah yabo
Yes.
I sharp I can say ukuthi I was like about 10 years old now
Okay.
still under her.
Shuthi wahlala musiphi?
Yo ngahlala still under her
Okay.
right 11 years old I think it's still 10 years old 10 years old going towards December because besekathi khipha ikhumba uyabo just be yourself nje
So
ungahlali-
busuqedile ukuthwasa.
yeah
Okay.
basically kodwa I haven't had a homecoming
Okay.
whereby ngihlabe inkomo ngibe
Yes,
neshobo,
ubuyiswe
yeah.
ekhaya,
Yeah,
yes.
yabo
Yes.
so okay sharp ke during the time bengiloku ngihamba imigidi yakhe yabo ngihamba imigidi
Yes.
yempande yabo
Okay.
sharp going to December yabo
Yes.
besekayekile ukusikhulumisa
Okay.
yabo
Yes.
nami bese ngiyekile ukuya lapha ukuthi ngayekiswa yini angazi
Okay.
yabo sharp ke December siyaya ke like angithi Christmas and stuff
Okay.
simphathele ingubo yengwe yabo just nje for Christmas gift thank you yabo because the next
Yes.
day we were going to a family vacation to
Okay.
Durban okay so ke ay sharp safika lapha yana gogo gone nowhere to be found
Hayibo.
like gone nje nowhere to be found and to think of it it was lakhe lokuqala
Okay.
uyabo
Yes.
so vele mangabe kuzongena ithwasa kuye vele the eldest has to be there
Okay.
so manje I got there and the law ongene after mina
Yes.
which is mina I haven't had my homecoming
Okay.
I found out ukuthi no homecoming he has had
Oh
his-
yena sekayenzile
Yes,
homecoming.
yabo.
Okay, naye loyo sekaqedile ukuthwasa.
Yes.
Okay.
You see. But like on my side, no, homecoming not done.
Dololo.
Kanjani ke manje?
Yes.
Dololo, nothing. Ay sharp. Yaphela lapho ke. Indaba yami yana.
Okay.
Phela lapho. Fast forward 11 years old ke 11 years old, I'm still endlining.
Okay.
I'm still practicing under my grandmother, self-initiating.
So now awukabuyiswa still ekhaya. Okay.
Still 11 years ke. During, I think, bona abo November, December, uyabuya ugobela uzongimema emgidini. Just like that nje. Anga explainanga ukuthi 1 2 3.
After a full year of no communication.
Yes, after a full year of no communication. Seka yabuya nje uthi gogo nyakumema emgidini kwenzala sona so.
Okay.
Claro, yabo. Mina nganqaba ngathi no angiyi because you never actually told me the reason ukuthi what is going on. Why did you just cut me off just like that? And for the fact that me nomdala, which is I'm supposed to have my homecoming first, you ended up doing law obegang
Landele muva, yes.
The homecoming, yabo.
Yes.
Sharp again. I sharp nganqaba ke uya.
Okay.
Lapha nganqaba. Okay, kwaphela finish and clear. Nje.
Kaphelela lapho nogobela. Okay.
Yabo. And
yes.
The funny part is that my father started making allegations and accusations. You see, my father would like, hey, maybe ubone something inyoka lapha ya. Hello. Inyoka yamthulisa yamuthi. Yabo, no more baleka. Into lokuyenzayo le wrong. Yabo.
Okay.
Knowing the experience angithi vutha lapha ya. Yabo manje uyazenzela ukuthi no. Sihamba nenganganga lana vele. Mawubheda la.
Shithi ufike lapha zakhaya.
Yabo. Sharp ke.
Yes.
Ay, go right ke. Fast forward ke 12 years I'm still under my grandmother.
Okay.
13 years ke last year when siqala before siza kumkhulu. Siqala sasho nguve futhi.
Ngiyithanda ipitori.
My mother actually found this person in TikTok.
Okay.
TikTok, TikTok. My mom was interested, and then person katele like,
yes.
Like okay, I'm a self-initiate, finish and clear. I'll do what my grandmother says. Exalayo, the light will be there at the end of the tunnel.
Yes.
Yeah. Sihambe. Sifike lapha na yesamthanda naye. Uyabo? Namadlozi amthanda. Samthanda amadlozi amnawe. Amthanda. Uyabo? Ay sharp ke. Ahlola ay abamenzanga next lo mntwana nothing was done, nothing nje. Uyayibona ke leto. Uyayibona. Hayi iyaqala phansi.
Okay.
So after that, I started having dreams about Yena, Lower Sesushangu.
Okay.
So the dreams was that ngihleli phansi idumani ekhanda and then naye ukhona uyabo. Kanti ke so kanti ke nakho kuyaqala ke.
Nakhona wangena ephehlweni.
Cishe umkhulu wathi no.
Okay.
You see.
Yes.
So siyafika lapha yana ke sekuseni siyafika.
Okay.
It's for the second time sesiya.
Niyakhona. Yes.
Hey umuntu uthi uyabona nje ngoba bekahleli phansi afake idumani. So isikhathi sokuthi angene ephehleni ke manje. Bambonise mina.
So ngicela nje ukubuza. Did you inform lo gogo ukuthi uphuphe ufake itsumane uhleli phansi noma yena she automatically knew?
No, I informed.
Oh, okay.
I informed her. That is what inspired her statement.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see.
Okay.
I also told my mother. My mother was kind of shaky, but she was like, okay, let us see what she says.
Yes.
A person says malungene ephehlweni wara bese ka sendele ngisho nilist singaka ukuthi yes or no siya kuyangenwa ilist engaka hey inkuku ezu5 noma angazi
hayo For i-process yokukufaka ephehlweni.
Yeah.
Okay.
For that process.
Okay.
Hey, sharp ke. Go right ke.
Yes.
My mother's like, there's no way uzongena ephehlweni futhi. Yabo.
Yes.
My father is just agreeing with my like my father akathanda
Baba
ukukhuluma.
khudlisa ithimba. Udlisa ithimba.
Akathanda ukukhuluma.
Yes.
Ubaba yabo uvuma kuphela. Akisakinya ngwana ke. Like nje.
Yes.
Akathanda ukukhuluma, yabo.
Yes.
Futhi we even went extra mile and went to go tell ugogo wami.
Okay.
To hear her side. She was no. There's no way ukuthi umntana uzongena futhi ephehlweni like nje. It
Yes.
was okay. My mother then said, you know what?
Yes.
For the last time, if this doesn't work,
Siyayeka.
say that's when ke yabo.
Yes.
Athi no. I am thinking ukuthi siye kumkhululungi.
Okay.
Sifika nje kuku inhliziyo yami ngaleso sikhathi ithi ku. Yabo, like ibeat nje. Shine bright like a diamond.
Hey wena.
Yabo, like nje ibeat.
Yes.
So hey, ngithi no man. So vele siyangena lana vele like.
Yes.
It's the minute athi come in. Because okay, siyangena ke siyahlala phansi.
Yes.
So the first look, I'm looking at him, you see, I look at him and he looks at me. And I'm like,
Because I know.
Gogo, buwa.
Yes.
Yeah, well, and which is very, it was true because I know there's a part I missed.
Okay.
During those 2 years, bengiloko ngiwa, yabona?
No idibala.
Like ayikuthi ngiyacollapse. Let's say intambonyana nje encane. Ngayithi nje on the ground.
Should
And
go
the
with
injury.
Mthwana was
Yo, the injury will be bad, like very bad, you see.
Yo.
So uvele wangibuka, gogo, buwa.
Yes.
Ngibheka umama wethu. Umama wethu.
Yes.
Yabo, ayisha it's that thing.
Okay.
Okay, aqhubeke njalo ke asihlole. Asho ukuthi no, I am like I don't need ukuthi ngithwase. I just need a mentor. You see. Akaboni ukuthi ukhona isidingo.
Okay.
So ukuthi ngithwase. Leso sikhathi leso umuntu usekathumela ilist engaka bayithi uselinde thina ukuthi sithi yes or no.
Lo wase-social group.
Yes, yabo. Manje ithe makathi no, there's no need. My mother was relieved. I was also relieved, like imoya manje. Says come, yabo. Ubaba mu still wondering. So still wondering. Wait, manje how?
Kwenzala.
Hey.
Yes.
Umama mase no more mase siphuma kumkhulu sesiqedile.
Yes.
Siyeke kumkhulu sibuyele simtshela ukuthi nomkhulu 1 2 3 uyabo sokunjena nje uyabo so isikhathi ukuthi manje singike ngithi ukukhuphula isithunywa kancane uyabo.
Are you also healing people, like bayeza abantu kuwe bazofuna usizo noma khamba kanjani?
Okay, for the past years, starting from last year, it was first my family members.
Okay.
See, my family members started coming to me asking for help.
So in terms of a category, fall under which categories ke mhlambe masibuza?
So I can say Guti, I'm a traditional healer.
Okay.
I'm a prophet.
Okay.
I'm a diviner because I can also read bones.
Okay.
Yes.
So uyisangoma and a prophet.
Yes.
Okay. I got ngifuna ukusho ukuthi uyindlondlo yephehlo. Uyindlondlo yephehlo. And it's also inspiring seeing umuntu who is your age osekandlule eyintweni eziningi, you know, and it's mostly hardship you know, more than anything. And naku khona manje usaphila, you know, you're strong. You are fixing whatever problems that were also created in the midst of you trying to fix
Yes.
le nkinga vele usithole sikhona, you know. And I'm also inspired, man, by you, you know, nendlela yakho mina oyithathile. Abaningi futhi they tend ukuthi bagcine mhlambe sebayeka nasendleleni, you know, ukuthi hayi ayikho lento lekungcono ngiyeke, you know. Yet when you remained waba nje strong ukuthi yazi lo msebenzi noma le task enginikezwe yona ngizoyicomplete kahle, you know. And as you are nakho namhlanje siyakubona sixoxela nje basically ngempilo yakho, you know, up until now ukuthi kuze ufike lapho khona undlule phezukwana, you know, and having support also from your parents, you know, which is something that most people don't get or they yearn for, you know. So yeah, man, I'm truly inspired by you, and I'm hoping for the best also to come even further, you know, nanukuya phambili uphumelele nje. Sibonge gogo.
Thank you so much.